For those who are new to the channel, I am a complete beginner when it comes to anything outdoors, anything fishing related, hobby I want to pick up. And so today I am setting up my new fishing gear. I have a small tackle box that I'm going to be kind of converting everything into a new backpack that I'm going to be carrying around on these fishing trips. And so again, complete beginner, and so this is really a way to document my journey of really going into the great outdoors, start fishing, start enjoying, and hopefully catching some fish. And so just come along with me while I kind of set up and I guess review my new fishing bag. Alright everyone, so this is my first tackle box that I've ever had. Bought it at Academy Sports about 2 or 3 years ago, and probably went fishing maybe 4 or 5 times with it, and then it's just been stuck in my garage forever, and just recently got it back out because I really wanted to start to get into fishing. Really enjoyed it the few times that I've done fishing in the past, but today what I'm going to do is set up my new tackle bag and go from there. But just going to show you real quickly what I currently have in here before I get started really setting up the new bag that I have. Of course, have a little multi-tool right here, pliers, knife, all kinds of different little things. Obviously when I pull this up, you'll see kind of just the mess of hooks that I have in here, all kinds of different weights, you know, beads. I have some old magic bait catfish bait that who knows how old it's been in here. Smells great. Some old panfish that I never even opened, and all kind of different variety of worms, and then other bait that I haven't even opened or done anything with, and a weight right there. So this is what I was working with when I did go fishing, and I'm going to show you me setting up my new tackle box, hopefully start to be a little bit more organized, and go from there. I'm going to be transitioning everything over to the KastKing backpack that you see right there. And so I'm going to come up a little bit closer, show you just how great this box is, and go from there. All right, so this is my new tackle bag right here. Really nice, KastKing. I believe my wife got it for me on Amazon, and really enjoy it. Looking forward to getting it set up, and just kind of to go through it real quick. Just kind of looking at the side here, you got a place for your rods. A spot right here, you can put some things in the back right here, your fishing license, whatever. Also has this really nice kind of breathable mesh on the back. And then also, of course, if you want to strap yourself into your bag, you can. Moving on to the other side over here, this is another spot to where you could potentially put a reel, a rod, and then also possibly a net. I'm actually going to be putting my net on this side right here. And then you have these 3 large pockets on the very front. So right up here at the very top right here, a nice spot to put, you know, a pair of pliers, whatever you want. You can also put like a pocket knife into this little spot right here. You have some Velcro to strap it in. Another large pocket where you can put really anything in there. And of course, you also have these little pieces right here where you can slide things in. And then this pocket is really great because you can access your tackle boxes, your actual tackle boxes, pretty easy from this spot. So a really nice bag. It comes with 4 of these large tackle boxes, which of course you can put all kinds of different things in here. Has the movable dividers, so you can really customize it however you wish. Another thing that I think is really great is just how large this opening is. Perfect to really go in there, grab what you need, take whatever you need out. And so really looking forward to, you know, getting this on the water, testing it out, and hopefully keeping it pretty organized. Alright, so first things first, I want to try to get all my hooks together. So I have this pack of hooks right here, and I'm going to go ahead and put them into one of these new KastKing boxes. All kinds of different beads and different weights. And then also I'm going to try to deal with this mess of hooks in here, try to get really everything organized, everything looking real good. So I'm gonna speed things up and go from there. Alright, so this is already looking so much better right here. Got all my hooks sorted by size and then also type of hook. Also got my weights right here sorted by size. And then also I got my beads in here as well. I might actually just take out this little piece right here, so I just have a huge spot for these beads. But really liking how organized this is looking. Alright, so now I'm going to put together all of my frogs, my little torpedoes, all my little different pieces that you see right here, and go ahead and get that sorted. I'm going to go ahead and set up my next one. This is going to be for panfish, and just going to make it real quick and easy to access what I need if I'm going to go try to fish for any kind of small panfish. And so here we go. That one was real quick and easy, got that one done, and now finishing off now to the last box, and I'm going to be packing everything up. So for all of my bass, mainly bass bait, bass worms, things like that, I'm actually going to go to an old friend. My very first tackle box right here, this plano, is going to be filled with all of my different pieces that I'm going to use when I go bass fishing. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything loaded up and then start packing everything up into my bag. So I got all my worms in here. Now I'm going to get ready to start packing up my bag and then finishing up my setup. The next piece I'm going to go ahead and load up is this really nice KastKing pair of pliers right here. Really like how they look, like how sturdy they are. Comes with this nice little carrying case right here. So I'm going to go ahead and get that put into this center pocket. In that same pocket, I'm also going to put these pair of scissors, matching scissors from KastKing in there. Up at this very top pocket, I'm going to be putting this KastKing weight, nice digital weight. And then in this very front little side area, I'm going to be putting in my pocket knife, my fishing pocket knife. So that way if I ever need it, I know exactly where to find it, safe and secure in there. One of the last pieces I'm going to add is my foldable fishing net, which will fit right here nicely in this side pocket. And then I can just strap the Velcro around. So now that my bag's all set up, I gotta add one more important piece right here, probably the most important piece. My channel is named Two Terrapin. It's a reference to Two Terrapin, an album from the Grateful Dead, a huge Grateful Dead fan. And so hopefully when I'm out there fishing using this bag, I can't help but smile, smile, smile. And I'm gonna go ahead and get that set up right here on this bag. And now I'm all ready to go fishing. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for the next video, and we'll be back on the water putting this bag to the test.